Bentornato, fellow food geeks. That means welcome back. In Italian, no less. So you might have guessed, and with the picture you can see that we're going to make one amazing pasta. The best thing is that it has only 4 to 5 ingredients, which is not much. It's easy to assemble, really quick to assemble, and the taste is phenomenal. It will blow your mind like the Vesuvius Blue, right? And that's not all. You are going to get so many compliments when you make it that you're going to thank me for it. And your tummy is going to write to me separately and post that letter saying that thank you for baking it so yummy for me. I'm so touched. I'm getting emotional right now. Let me just quickly tell you that the same recipe is also available in Hindi for my viewers who would like to see it in Hindi. And now let's get started without any further delay. So choose a vessel in which you want to boil the water and place it on top of the gas or your stove and then fill it with water. 3/4 of full should do. You know the drill. You just have to boil the pasta, and now please make sure that you salt the water really well. So I'm making 2 servings of pasta and I'm salting accordingly. Now the water's come to a boil and I'll add my pasta. Now you could use any pasta. I'm using a fettuccine. You could use any pasta that you like. Farfalle, penne, angel hair, spaghetti. I'm just showing you the one that I'm using, but you could use any pasta really. And I'm making enough for 2 people. So approximately I'll say 200 grams or half a pound approximately. That's enough. So now I've taken 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and I'm going to slice them very thin. The reason for doing that is for presentation. You can chop them up really if you want, but this looks really nice. See, this is the thickness. So once this is done, we just throw away the ends. And now we need parsley. 1 cup of parsley would be enough, and we want to chop it really nice, really fine. If you don't have parsley, you can use cilantro or coriander, whatever you call it. Totally fine, but parsley is the herb of choice. So I'm going to chop it really fine. Now that's done. I'm going to move over to the stove, and any skillet, pan, anything that you have, just put it on the heat. Even a wok would do. And we're going to add olive oil to this. Now this is normal olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, because I'm going to heat it. So I've added around 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Please do not skimp on the olive oil. This is a request. You need to have this much. This is for 2 people. It's really going to be delicious and we're not really adding much else. So this needs the olive oil. So now we add the garlic, move it around. We wait for it to basically start becoming golden a little bit. And then we add the chili flakes or red pepper flakes, whatever you call them. We need some more. This is better. So I've added around 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can adjust according to your taste. It's not very sharp though. And now we've removed it from the heat, and I'm now going to add the parsley or the cilantro, whatever you have. Now the reason I removed the pan is because the residual heat of the oil is going to cook the garlic even further. And if you cook it way beyond its required, then it turns bitter. So you have to be careful about that. So we give it a good mix. Now if you don't have fresh parsley, you can use dried parsley along with the cilantro that you put in. That will be fine as well. Now pasta is ready. It's al dente. I'm going to move it to a side. And I'm going to add the pasta now. So I've taken my tongs and I'm lifting up the fettuccine and I'm going to put it in the sauce. Now I've put all the pasta. I'll give it a good mix, a nice mix. Now I've kept some pasta water, around 4 to 5 tablespoons, which I'm going to add to the sauce later once I give it a little bit of a mix. The reason I'm doing that, it'll help the sauce emulsify with the pasta, mix together, give it a very nice shine and create a little bit more of the sauce. I'm using my tongs because these work better when you have to, move around pasta of this shape. Make sure each strand is coated well. You see, we're not really using many ingredients. Now I'm going to add the pasta water and give it a good mix, and our pasta is almost ready. There's just one little thing which we have to put in now. So I've taken 1 lemon here. I'm going to use half of it. If you don't have a lemon available where you live, please go ahead, use a lime. Although a lemon is a little sweeter, so the taste is better. So half a lemon, and I'm going to squeeze it in. You may change quantities according to your choice. And now it's ready. We give it a mix and it's ready to serve. Guys, I really hope that you try this. It is a classic. It is delicious. You will fall in love with the ease of making this and the compliments and the taste. So go ahead, try it out. Let me know in the comments box how it turned out for you. If you liked the video, give it a like, share and subscribe if you haven't done it already. A beautiful plate of Aglio e Olio for you. Yes, that's its name. I just call it simple pasta with a little bit of garlic and olive oil. And I'll be making many more such pastas, and you'll really enjoy yourselves watching and also making them. So do not forget to subscribe, guys. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay loved, stay safe, be happy. I'll catch you soon. Bye.